so it's another day here. I lost count of the days I was counting, so I'm just going to say it's another day from now on. We were supposed to go on a boat trip today, which all of us were really looking forward to. But as you can see, it's totally raining. We had like the roughest night here because last night there was a storm. We woke up like at 4 o'clock in the morning because there was like a really strong wind, and we had to close all of these windows that go all around the house. And also like the 2 big bumps in the house fell down, so that I woke up my grandmother and she came to us if we are okay. But yeah, that was really fun. Hello. I'm really bad at vlogging, I know, but honestly there wasn't anything interesting to vlog yesterday because we were supposed to go on a boat trip, but then there was like a really big storm. The next morning it was still raining, so we couldn't go. So then we went back to bed and we woke up like at 11 o'clock. Yeah, and we went swimming, and when we went back I started to read, but every time I start to read I always fall asleep. Is that like only me thing, or I don't know. Then I fell asleep with Luca, so we fell asleep. We woke up at like 4 o'clock and we went to like lunch and dinner because then we didn't eat dinner because it was so big. So we took our bikes and went to the city, and the lunch was so good. But now it was also raining throughout the whole night, but I was just so tired that I didn't even notice. But they called us now that it is okay to go on the boat today because the water is calm. But we will just do a short trip, not the long one, because I don't know why. But yeah, I think it's just safer because there is some small possibility that the storm will come again, but I'm not sure. And also, it is Lucas's 15th birthday today, so we will also go celebrate, I don't know, by dinner. I'm not sure, but I'm excited. And that's it for today.
Broke their sleep. Awaken our memories of when we would make believe. Collide colors of the masquerade.
Birthday boy. What? But I will go for Pazio. Tím, udělej to pro vlog. Ještě jednou. Happy birthday to you. So it's day number, I don't know, but we're going running. So we just got ready, and now we discovered that it's, oh my god, that it's really high tide, and we can't go on the beach because the water is everywhere. So yeah, so now we're going to eat.
staying.
And
for
you're
another
leaving.
4 days
4 days, yeah.
without me.
Oh no. So my cousin and aunt just left, but now I'm going running since we didn't go this morning with Lucas, and then me and my mom will probably grab some dinner and then we'll see. I've watched like 2 episodes of Black Mirror right now and I'm kind of like thinking about what happened, but yeah. Oh my god, there's so many mosquitoes. Okay, so I will talk to you later. Hi! So, I've been in Thailand for about 16 days, I think. And the whole time I've been here, I've been on just one island called Kojam. And this place is truly like paradise because there are no people, like seriously, as far as I can see, I'm alone on this beach right now. But the only thing that really annoys me is the number of the plastic pollution on the beaches. So I decided to go and clean the beach as much as possible. I mean, I'm just one for like the whole beach, but I think I'm going to go just to the very end of the beach because I go running there every day and the pollution there is like really bad, so I will try to clean it as much as possible. I think I'm going to stay there for an hour or 2 and yeah, I'm curious what one girl can do in 2 hours. So yeah. Okay, so I think I found my like first location where I want to clean it. I wanted to go way further because I know that there it is way worse. But I mean, this is bad. There's so much of it. I mean, I'm really far away from home and we have like so much plastic, so I think this place is just perfect. Okay, so we can start. Okay, so update, I'm like dripping, but in less than 5 minutes I have the first bag. That's that. And yeah, let's do it again. The weirdest thing is that like the most regular thing I get here is shoes. Wait a minute. So, these are just shoes. There's another one. All I can see now is shoes. I think there was like a trash bin just for shoes because there's so much of them. But yeah, let's keep going. Okay, so it's around 8 o'clock now and the water is getting closer and closer, so I have to hurry up. I have like 4 bags of garbage now, but yeah, I think I'm going to come back this evening because there's still like, you can't really see it in the camera, but I see plastic everywhere. So yeah, I'm going home now. Okay, so I just came home. Honestly, it was kind of hard. On my way back here, I've collected another 2 full trash bags of plastic or yeah, trash, and I had to like walk kind of a long way to throw them out somewhere. I think I'm just going to relax the whole day now because honestly it's just so hot. When I came here I was like drowning in sweat. Also those trash bags were so heavy that yeah, when I came here I drank like 6 glasses of water. But yeah, I mean, I think it's still crazy that like in 30 minutes one girl can pick up like 7 bags of trash. Honestly, I'm really sad that I didn't do this every day, that I did it just once in 2 weeks, but or not like every day because I don't think I would have the energy, but you know, at least like once in 3 days or 2 days, because yeah, it literally takes like a half of an episode of Game of Thrones or something. So yeah, I hope some of you got inspired and yeah. Okay, so it's our last day here. We have to leave in like a couple of hours. I didn't film yesterday and the day before yesterday because there wasn't really anything interesting. We're just home either swimming or eating, so I decided to unplug for a minute and finish my reading assignments from school. But yeah, so it's the last day. We went into the city for our final breakfast, which was so good and so big. I'm literally like so fat. And I finished packing like a minute ago, but I still need to pack my things, which I will take to the airport with me. And honestly, yesterday I spent the whole day just lying in bed, almost crying because I was so sad that we have to leave. Just don't want to go. So yeah, enjoy the last clips from Thailand.